Hi guys, welcome to today's video. So for today's video, I'm going to be kind of showing you guys how to apply eyeliner. Now I am kind of a big, still a beginner myself when it comes to applying eyeliner. I feel like I've gotten a lot of practice where I can share some kind of tips and tricks that I've learned. So, yeah, okay, I'm just going, one thing that I've definitely learned is that I like to use powders rather than, let's say like a liquid eyeliner, because I feel like powders, you can really like blend very well with powders, obviously, and kind of the same thing with gels. You can blend it a little bit better than, say, like a liquid. So, yeah, let's jump right into what type of products you can use. Let's just start with some products that you can use for an eyeliner look. So, one that's not really my favorite, but I do sometimes use it, is a liquid eyeliner like this one. This is the Jafra, what is it? The Inkwell Intense Matte Liquid Liner. It's not my fave, but I still use liquid eyeliner sometimes, so that's one thing you can use. And then I have a, I guess you could say this is, let's see, a eyeliner pen, like a felt tip eyeliner, which is like that. It's very thin. I really like that one. This one is from Eyeliner. I like this one, and then and then I have two kind of pencil eyeliners. This one is almost out. This is a Jafra Duo pencil liner, and then this one is a NYX Epic Wear liner stick. I like to use these two, but my favorite kind of product to use for doing an eyeliner look is eyeshadow. It's like I would use maybe like this color, this one, maybe this one, or like a brown. Another thing I did forget to show you, but this is a gel liner. This is from Graphtopia, and this is the cream foundation in black. I do use this a lot more than felt tip eyeliner. Okay, so this eye is completely done. This is how I normally do my eyeliner. So I'm going to zoom in and show you guys how I do it, and give you some kind of tips on how to do it as well. Okay, so we're going to use two products when applying the eyeliner. I'm first going to use eyeshadow to apply the for the eyeliner. We're going to use a black shade, which is this one from House Labs. This is Top Hat, right? Yep, Top Hat. And we're going to use the Shanny 32 brush set number 14. We're going to apply this in between the lashes. Okay, so I'm just going to wiggle it back and forth. It's kind of like a tight lining almost. So I'm just going to wiggle back and forth, and I like to kind of plant my elbow on the table and also kind of hold, just rest my chin on my hand. Just go back and forth in between the lashes, and it really gives that like illusion that your lashes are like really, I guess, full. Really great thing to have when applying eyeliners. This is really runny, oh my goodness. Okay, I'm gonna use duct tape to have, not duct tape, Scotch tape to have just a really, really thin line. So I already have one pre-cut. So what you're going to do, you're going to kind of put it along the bottom lash line, kind of like up to the brow. So exactly like that. I'm going to use is a gel liner. This one, like I said, this one is from Graftopian. This is the cream foundation in black. I'm going to use the Morphe M158 brush to apply this. I like to take off the excess and just swirl it around in the cap just to take off the excess. And we're just going to not go all the way into the corner. We're stop about maybe where my eye starts, I think, like right here, or where my pupil starts. I did a better job on this side, oh my goodness. I kind of like to blend it a little bit down here. If I get it too fat, take the tape off. Ow. That's a nicer line than this one. I like how this one turned out. I'm gonna even perfect the line just a little bit, I think. But I'm gonna leave it like that because it looks pretty good. Last thing, what I like to do when especially applying gels or even a liquid or a felt, I set the liner, so I'm going to go back into that same brush with that same eyeshadow and just go over the line that we used, the line that we did on top of the top lash line. Kind of set it and give a nicer, smokier look to the liner. That was it for today's video. See you guys in the next one. Bye!